Welcome to this tutorial on the Kotlin apply function. Apply is a powerful scope function that helps you configure objects with a clean, builder-like syntax. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use apply to initialize and configure objects effectively. The apply function is a scope function that executes a lambda on an object and returns the object itself. Inside the lambda, the context object is available as this, which means you can access its properties and methods directly without repeating the object name. This makes apply perfect for object initialization and configuration tasks. The basic syntax of apply is straightforward. You call apply on an object, and inside the lambda block, you configure the object using this. You can set multiple properties and call methods. The key point is that apply returns the configured object, allowing you to use it immediately or store it in a variable. Let's look at a simple example. Here we have a person data class with name and age properties. We create a new person instance with empty values, then immediately call apply on it. Inside the apply block, we set the name to Alice and age to 30. The apply function returns the configured person object, which we store in the person variable. This approach is much cleaner than setting properties on separate lines. Apply shines when you need to configure objects with multiple properties, similar to the builder pattern. In this example, we're creating an app config object and using apply to set 5 different properties: host, port, timeout, enable logging, and max retries. This creates a builder-like syntax without needing to write any boilerplate builder code. The configuration is clear, concise, and easy to read. Here's a real-world example from Android development. We're creating an intent object and using apply to configure it before starting an activity. Inside the apply block, we add 2 extras using putExtra and set the flag's property. After the apply block completes, we have a fully configured intent ready to use with start activity. This is much cleaner than creating the intent on one line and configuring it on multiple separate lines. Let's review the key benefits of using apply. First, it provides clean and readable object initialization. Second, it returns the object itself, allowing you to chain operations or use it immediately. Third, you don't need to repeat the object reference since this is implicit. Finally, it gives you a builder-like syntax without writing any boilerplate code. These benefits make apply an essential tool in your Kotlin toolkit. So when should you use apply? Use it when configuring newly created objects, especially when you need to set multiple properties at once. It's ideal for initializing builder-style objects where you want a fluent configuration syntax. And most importantly, use apply when you need the object returned, as opposed to a different result. Now you're ready to use apply to write cleaner, more expressive Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.